Hi, my name's Jill White and I've got a clue for you as to the business that I run. Hello, I run Totally Ape, which is a children's soft play cafe and party venue in Old Colwyn. It's a family operated business. I run this with my daughter-in-law Paula and we've been trading now successfully for nearly 5 years. My biggest challenge to date was possibly reopening a children's soft play centre on the site of one that had previously failed. We experienced a lot of backlash from angry previous customers and local residents, and with hindsight I would say don't ever open a business on the site where one has failed previously. My greatest achievement was actually opening day, which was the 14th of April 2011. We experienced a lot of setbacks initially with the property because it's a grade 2 listed building, and we had adverse weather throughout from January to the end of March, and that impacted greatly, and I never thought we'd get there, but we did. So that has to be my proudest moment, that we actually made opening day. Initially I spent a lot of money on advertising in local papers, other publications, door-to-door flyers. The best marketing advice I could give anybody is to use the social media. Facebook has been fantastic, Twitter, obviously enhancing your website, keeping it up to date. That is where it's at, where people actually follow and actually can see what's going on a day-to-day basis. So to start with, we had fantastic support from Business Wales. We were assigned our own personal mentor called Diane, who was a tremendous help with the initial forecasts and budgeting aspects of the business, so we could give projections and then obviously approach the banks. My opinion of characteristics and traits of a successful business person would be to say drive, energy, passion and tenacity. You've also got to be prepared to give commitment. It can be 24/7 operation, alarm call outs, things like that in the middle of the night, so you've got to be prepared to give it your all. I actually admired Harry Selfridge. He was very, very brave. He had tremendous passion. He was an innovator. He was always prepared to try something new. Although he had a lot of bad press, he still kept going and he was successful in the end. So my first one would be never give up. Keep going. You're going to get low moments when things don't always go so well and trade is not always as good. You just have to keep going, believe in yourself. Be brave. If something's not working, don't be afraid to try something else. If that doesn't work, go back and try something else again. It will work in the end. And learn how to grow thick skin. You will come under a lot of criticism from customers. You try very hard to please them, but unfortunately you cannot please everybody all the time, and sometimes it can be quite hurtful, so you have to grow a thick skin. Every day I feel so proud. I feel so proud of my team. As I say, it's a family business. My daughter-in-law Paula is my manager. I've got a fantastic team of staff, and to actually see them grow and develop over the last 5 years has been brilliant.